Hi friends, let me show you my new wireless barbecue thermometer that I received. This is a thermometer for cooking. It has all the accessories to use it, to put the meters in the food, the sensors, and connect everything to the reader and send the information to your phone, so you don't even have to be near the barbecue to know what's happening, okay? So as you can see, it's a long enough cable. You put the sensor wherever it corresponds and put the sensor in the food. So you will be getting the readings in your phone, okay? This reader is it uses 2 AA batteries, and this technology will help you to cook better, because you will know exactly the temperature of your food and the time that you need to cook each and all of your dishes. Okay, so let's try it.
Hi friends, so here we are with the wireless barbecue thermometer. We'll use it to cook a medium rare New York steak. So let's start. Turn a bit down the heat. We'll take our steak, lay it that way, and we'll turn the probe. Take this cap off. So it starts searing, starts cooking, and as you can see, it is showing us the temperature that is ideal for our steak. You can set the temperature that you want on your steak. I set it to medium rare, and it gives you the option to use the beef steak directly. Right now we start beeping, telling us it is ready, so we'll turn off the heat and set it aside so it can rest. And it's done. This is a very nice thermometer. I really recommend it. It's very easy to use. You can just use it with your Bluetooth device and it's very easy to set up. It just needs 2 AAA batteries and it's ready. Really recommend it. I will use it a lot and it's a great buy.